Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Nodejs on Ubuntu. So I'm going to install the latest version of Nodejs, which is 13 at this moment. So let's go ahead and install it. So simply go ahead and launch your terminal, and let me go ahead and enlarge the font on this terminal and type this command to update your system. Sudo apt update, type in the password and let it update the system core. And here we are. My internet seems to be a bit slower today. Here we go. And this happens here. So we seem to have some connectivity issue. Okay, but your system should be fine and running absolutely okay. So it's gonna take 10 seconds. Okay, it's done. Here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and clear the screen. Everything seems to be fine. So now we are going to use curl to install Nodejs. So if you do not have curl, go ahead and install it. It's very simple command. Simply type sudo apt install curl. Okay, so that's it. Go ahead and hit enter. And I already have, shouldn't take a long time, and go ahead and type curl space hyphen uppercase V, and you've got curl 7.65.3. so that's what I have. Now we will go ahead and install Nodejs 13. So I've got this command for you. Simply go ahead and type it. So simply type curl space hyphen SL uppercase L, and this is the node source setup 13.x, and then you have to give it a pipe and sudo space hyphen E uppercase bash space bash and then hyphen again. So that's it. That's all you need. Go ahead and hit enter, and this is going to download the node package 13, which is the most latest one at this moment. And this is what it says. So to install yarn, we will require this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it as it is. We will install yarn as well. I'm going to get into this new terminal and install yarn, Nodejs. So simply go ahead and type sudo apt get install node, type in the password, oops, again Nodejs. Okay, simply say Nodejs. Here we go. Now hit enter, and this is going to install Nodejs and NPM. Nodejs 13.0.1 node source 1. So this is where it's coming from. Look at that. Okay, gonna take 20-30 seconds, and okay, so seems to be working, but a bit slower. Voila, here we go. Removing NPM. So I already had NPM installed on this system, basically node, but that was not the latest one. It was 10.15.2. so that's what it's doing. It's just unpacking 13 over the previous version of Node. On your system it may take bits less time than mine, so I'm really sorry about that. Here we go. So NPM has been installed. Nodejs and NPM has been installed. Let's go ahead and check. Node V space hyphen V, so 13.0.1 NPM space V. I've got 6.12.0, but we do not have yarn. Okay, so we need to go ahead and install it. So we need to run this command first, okay, then this one, then this one. Okay, so go ahead and copy and paste it. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. Okay, that says okay, so make sure you run this command as well. Copy it. This is kind of recommended by Nodejs, you look at that. And then we will run this command. Voila. Working, connecting. Wow. Okay, here we go. So we should have Node.js, NPM and yarn as well. So that's all you need to have in order to start your Node.js journey. And this goes like this one, okay. So we've got yarn 1.19.2. So that's it for this video. We've just installed Node.js 13, NPM 6 and yarn 1.19. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now. Perfect. Doesn't work like that, so